Yo, what's good, traders? I'm gonna do a quick video on how to set up an S&P 500 ETF option spread for beginners. So let's go. I'm gonna share my screen and get right into this. Okay, right here you can see my screen, and I'm in the Tastyworks platform, and I have the trade marked up. So right here, I'm gonna go and choose the strategy. I'm gonna do a vertical spread, put selling spread. So this is like one-on-one for beginners. Like this platform is super good. It has like all of the statistics. It has like the standard deviation. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I mark up a trade. So I'm gonna go out 45 days for optimal premium right here. So we got 47 days, so that's good enough here. And then I'm gonna go over when I get to 45 days. I'm gonna go over to around one standard deviation. So S&P, um, the SPY is currently trading at $363. So I'm going to place, let's see here, this put spread around the 351 strike, and I'm gonna keep the buy the put option at 346. I'm gonna keep it super tight. And you see like the probability to make this $107 is gonna be 67%. So I'm going to let me see if I can get a little bit okay right here. So I'm risking 400 to make $100. So let's see what that percentage is going to be. And we pull out the calculator. So 100. So that's the 25%. And if we manage that at 50% profit, we're looking at a 12.5 return in 30 days. So you guys can hit review and send, and we'll mark it up right there. And then once the stock market opens, that trade will get executed. So like I like to keep it super simple. I like to do a vertical put spread around the standard deviation from when the current strike price is currently trading, just to keep it simple. So this is a quick and easy way to make a quick $50 in, let's just say, 10 days. So we went 45 days out on this trade to make initial $100 credit receive. And then just to keep things simple, once I make $50, I'll close it out for a profit and then place another trade. And that was option selling 101.